Hello again, everyone. Today I have a couple of unboxings, one from Chic Sparrow and one from Sojourner. I got these at the same time and kind of wanted to do the unboxing at the same time. Things have been crazy in my work life and my personal life, so video posting might drop off a little bit for a little while. I just kind of wanted to give you a warning about that. Everything's fine. It's just super, super busy. And I don't know what it is about the springtime. Everybody wants everything right now. So all that is to say, let's go forward with this unboxing here. So the top one, these are both fairly small packages. I'm going to do the Chic Sparrow first, which is this top one. And this is a couple of new accessories that they have. Get that out of the bag, make sure I get the invoice. And here's the warranty, product warranty, which comes with every purchase nowadays. Faith, Hope, Love is the sticker. Not sure I would keep that one. Anyway, so these are the new pen holders that Chic Sparrow has, although this one already has quite a bit of scratching. I wonder if they're using sort of, again, offcuts for these because, so this one is an Austin leather, which is very sensitive and can scratch pretty easily. And you know, I must say quite a few of the purchases that I've made recently at Chic Sparrow have had a lot more things like this. Like they've been a little bit more lenient with, including things that I like this, having this already this way, I would assume that this would be more of a happy accidents category, but you know, it's fine. These will get scratches with me eventually, but you know, the fact that they already come a little pre-scratched is a little strange to me. But so this is the Austin leather in the, what is this red color called now? I think it's called Drummond. So they've released these triple pen holders in a few different leathers, and then this is the 2-pen holder, which they've also released in a few different leathers, but this is the, oh, what's the name of the Italian leather? I'm forgetting. But I had actually gotten this to hold glasses. So I'm going to test out my glasses to see if that'll work. And I'm also going to put some pens in this pen holder. I'm assuming because this is a more stiff leather, I opted for this one because I really like this type of leather and I like how it ages and I like how it softens a little over time. So I'm going to see how some pens will fit in there. But I'm assuming they'll be a little bit tight to begin with. And so let's go ahead and get my glasses. So I have 2 pairs of glasses, one for like task computer glasses and one for my distance. So I kind of wanted to see, oh, okay, so this is going to work pretty well, I think. So these are my distance glasses. So I'll keep these in the case while I'm using my computer glasses. And I'll take those off my face, which I have on right now. I'm probably filthy. I need to clean them. So these are a little bit smaller. They're my computer glasses. These are going to be, like I'll be carting these to and from work once I get back to the office. That's another reason why things are ramping up a little bit, is because there's going to be more in-office work for my job. So just putting it in both ways to see how it fits better. But the long and short of this is this will work because even though they stick out a little bit, they're not going to, they're just going to go in my bag like this. And then, you know, I'm just going to switch between the two. This is really so that I don't lose them. I wanted to have a dedicated place to put my glasses while I'm wearing the other pair, because I only started wearing my computer glasses while I've been working from home. So I wanted to make sure that I would sort of have a little bit of a dedicated space for them so that I know to look for this when I'm leaving my home or my office. So I think they fit in a little bit better this way with the larger part this way, but I think that's going to work really well. I'm really happy about that. I got this softer Italian leather because I thought this would work better for the glasses. I didn't want to get something in a stiffer leather, and I think the interior will be a little bit nicer here on my glasses. So that's what that's for. I'm going to put that to the side with my glasses. And then the pen loop or the pen holder. Let's see. So at my desk, I have this hand-turned acrylic pen. Let's see if that will fit because it's pretty large, but this is kind of the size. Oh, this is really, really tight. So this is definitely going to need some, what do you call that? Where it's going to sit in there for a while to kind of mold around that. But I do like how, you know, the pull-up comes out when you do that. So this one is probably a standard size that I would use. Let's see. I do have a couple of other hand-turned pens. I think this one's slightly smaller. Oh, yeah, that's going to be a tight fit. I'm wondering if I should have gotten a softer leather. I mean, they will fit. It's just going to take some training is what the word I was thinking of, to get these to fit a little better. And maybe I'll put smaller ones in there. So the idea is that this one here is not entirely covered, so you can just pull it out. But yeah, so this new fountain pen is one of my new favorites. I'm sure you'll see it in a future favorites video. It also has a very special nib, which I'm not going to show you. This is the Water Lily Koi blank from Brooks Blanks. And this is by River City Pen Company. I love this pen so much. I've been writing with it a lot, and it's been nearby all the time. Let me see if I can find another couple of pens. Like this is fairly small. This is a Lamy. Ooh, I've forgotten the model, but it's a small Lamy. So this would probably, you know, fit right in. It's still a little tight. I think regardless of the pen that's in there, it's going to have to require a little bit of training. So I'll kind of play around with that, but I did want to show you these, and I hadn't seen the stiffer leathers on anybody's YouTube yet. Okay, so let's go on to the Sojourner. Let me put this other fountain pen away. So this one I'm really kind of excited about. A lot of places are coming out with pink leathers. I know that Chic Sparrow is going to have a special pink leather for April. You'll probably be seeing this in April, so it might already be out. But Sojourner also had one, and I think I'm opting to really just get this one. And ooh, really pretty. It's a little shinier than I anticipated, but the feel is so nice. Although I thought I had ordered a trifold, and this is only a regular folio. That's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna have to check my order on that. Man, orders have been difficult lately. Like everybody's having a hard time, it seems. But yeah, this is a beautiful leather. Yeah, and I actually don't mind the fact that this is just a folio. Yeah, I might, because I'm pretty sure I ordered the folio or the trifold. So I am gonna see what I did. I'm gonna go back and look at my order, and then I'll kind of think about whether or not I want to keep this one versus get the trifold. But I did want to show you this leather. So it is a little bit shiny. It does not show up as shiny on the website, so this is a little bit of a surprise. It seems to be a little bit more matte in some places. The feel is amazing. It's super, super soft. Softer than I would think for something that's a little shiny like that. But it's really, really nice. Okay, well, I entirely got thrown off because I thought that I had ordered the trifold, the Traveler trifold, because that has strings and has the fold. So I'm going to go back and look at my order. If I get that resolved before I post this video, I'll let you know what I did. The folio, just the folio, this is B6 Slim. The folio is really beautiful as is, but I specifically had a purpose for the trifold. So either it was my mistake, which is totally possible because things are crazy right now, or I'll get that resolved. But I'll put the put the details about how I end up resolving that down below. But I also wanted to show you these pen cases. Just given this, I'm not sure I would get another pen case in an Austin leather just because of the tightness of it and the fact that it already came scratched. I mean, that I haven't returned anything to Chic Sparrow. There's been 3 things in a row now that I've gotten that have had a little bit of you know, like nicking or scratching on full price items, which I haven't really been all that happy with. I have not mentioned it to the company though, so to be fair, you know, they might have resolved that for me had I contacted them. One was on my February leather, which I haven't shown on the channel, mostly because of how it came, and I don't think I have it handy. No, I do not have it. I don't have it nearby, but it came with a gigantic scratch on the back, and I thought seriously of returning it, but then it's a traveler's notebook and they were out of them, so I didn't return it. But anyway, this is kind of a mixed bag. This will work great for my glasses. This is definitely a keeper. It will work great for my glasses. This I will stretch it out a little bit, see if it'll accommodate my pens and whether or not it'll loosen up a little bit. I might end up rolling this as well. I'm definitely not going to return this because it was inexpensive, an inexpensive item. So I'm gonna see if I can roll this a little bit and get it to stretch out around the pens. And then one of the good things about already having scratches on it, I won't be worried about scratching it further. So there's that. But I think that's all I wanted to show you today. And actually this particular leather would go really good with this, like sort of as a little thing up in the front there. All right, well, that's all I had for you today. It may be a while before, I mean, I have some videos stockpiled basically that I'll be posting for a little while, but if I run out of videos before I can tape more, or record tape, showing my age, before I can record more, you might see some gaps in the channel just because it's just not sustainable to do all the things I need to do for work and home and keep up my posting schedule. So, so just keep an eye out. You know, I will continue to post regardless, even if it's at a lesser frequency, but I just wanted to give you a heads up about that and let you know. All right, well, take care. Feel free to subscribe to keep track of future videos on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. I hope to see you next time, but in the meantime, have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.